better pay attention as I'm up here dropping knowledge. Without me, you'll never get your clever self to college.
Really, Mr. Diamond? That's not really a fact. Let me take you way back to the signing of the Morrill Act.
The Morrill Act? What on earth are you thinking?
In 1862, it was signed by Abe Lincoln.
Who cares? That's really of no true value to me.
It better be. You went to a land-grant university. The Morrill Act was founded by a congressman named Judson to help the states make colleges from almost next to nothing. Develop it or sell it was the means to an end, where colleges were built where many people could attend.
So what? That act was signed 150 years ago. It's really not important to you young people anymore.
Wrong again. It's more important than you think. Without the Morrill Act, our life would really stink.
Yeah, I'm only 12, but I learned with anticipation, so I can go on to gain a higher education. Without that opportunity, my ancestors would suffer. My grandpa went to college.
So did my grandmother.
Wow, I didn't realize what the Morrill Act allowed.
You're welcome, Mr. Diamond. Thanks to us, you know it now.
It really is important to us now, I do acknowledge.
That's why it's so important for us all to go to college.